so much freaking foam and carbonation. We're back again, guys. We're back again. Coke. What is the definition of Coke? Sugar. As you can see, we got no sugar here and just normal cans. Just to make this clear, there were no six packs in the shops, so I had to buy. I had to compromise. Hope you guys are okay with that. And if you're not familiar with the challenge, it's how fast you can drink a six pack of Coke cans, or a six pack of Coke cans in 5 minutes. I really do think I can demolish this, but I don't wanna. But I'm gonna. So you gotta subscribe, please. Oh yeah, and I'm Spider-Man. Let's get cooking. Let's get cooking. I don't have a timer. Shit. 1 second. We got him. Okay, so let's do this. I haven't watched any videos about this, so don't hate me for what I'm gonna do. So it's kind of stressful. I don't know why. Like, share, subscribe and comment, please. Let's freaking do this. As you can see, here's a timer. Ouch! Oh, so much freaking foam and carbonation. It's a lot harder than I thought it would be. This sucks. This can't be healthy for myself. I'm done. Sorry, guys. Woo! Here's a timer. 2 minutes 34 for 3 cans. Not bad. My eyes are watering. It just sucked. The thing that was the bad thing was is that all the gas builds up in your throat, and then when you burp. Okay, I feel flippin' disgusting right now, so I'm done. Do not try this at home, please. Hope you guys enjoyed the video though. Share with a friend maybe. Show them my failures. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully I'll see you guys next week on Monday. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. And I've been watching Spider-Man lately, the Amazing Spider-Man of Andrew Garfield, and I'm kind of obsessed with him, so hopefully he comes back with another Spider-Man film. I know this shit about Sony sucks and wada, but just, yeah, hopefully he comes back. And then peace! Skadoosh!